The realm of robotics has undergone tremendous evolution. Once limited to control environments like factory assembly lines, robots now exhibit versatility and integration across numerous facets of our lives. The rise of artificial intelligence technologies, including generative AI, has garnered global attention and dominated headlines. The adoption of generative AI for business is still in its infancy, reshaping many industries and redefining how we approach automation and innovation. These examples showcase the varied applications of robotics in industries spanning manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and space exploration. Robotics not only amplifies efficiency but also pushes the boundaries of possibility, fundamentally shaping the future of technology and innovation. Manufacturing. Industrial robots streamline production, enhancing efficiency and precision in manufacturing. Robots have been building cars for over 6 decades now. Tesla, the electric vehicle manufacturer, utilizes extensive robotics in its automated manufacturing processes, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Agri-tech robotics. Agricultural robots revolutionize farming practices, from autonomous robots to drones monitoring and managing crops. Blue River Technologies See and Spray system, now a part of John Deere, uses computer vision to precisely spray herbicides, promoting sustainable farming practices. Robots can also interact with livestock and even milk cows. Some machines can handle up to 70 cows at a time, as well as freeing up time from milking by hand. Data from robots about each individual cow means farmers can make more informed decisions about cow health, nutrition, production, and fertility. The introduction of new robotic technology is also encouraging a new generation of farmers to remain involved. Space frontier. Innovative robots play a crucial role in space missions, with rovers and autonomous spacecraft paving the way for scientific discovery. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is pioneering development of autonomous rocket technology. The rockets are designed to land and be reused, reducing the cost of space exploration and making commercial spaceflight more accessible. NASA's Mars Curiosity rover showcases robotics in exploring and gathering data on the Martian terrain. Retail and logistics. Robots optimize warehouse operation, managing inventory, and facilitating last-mile delivery. DHL and Amazon implement robots to expedite order fulfillment and enhance logistic efficiency. Developers SwissMile have created a last-mile dog-like delivery robot they call Animo, with 4 legs and wheels to enable it to move around. It can also stand up straight when greater height is required. It can open the door, pick up boxes, climb the stairs, and stand on 2 legs to call itself an elevator. Trajectory optimization technology allows the robot to move around obstacles with ease. Health tech robotics. Robots assist surgeons in complex procedures and patient care, delivering medications and aiding mobility to individuals with impairments. Exobionics produces wearable robotic exoskeletons that assist individuals with mobility impairments. These devices enable users to stand, walk, and regain mobility, improving their quality of life. Intuitive Surgical Development implemented Da Vinci Surgical System, a robotic platform that assists surgeons in performing minimally invasive surgeries, providing enhanced precision and shorter recovery times. Robotics and hospitality. Innovative robots are venturing into hospitality, flipping burgers and serving cocktails. Miso Robotics and Sandbox VR illustrate how robotics transform commercial kitchens and immersive experiences. Miso Robotics is a company providing intelligent automation for commercial kitchens. Robotics can ensure more resilient businesses, safer work environments, and safer food production for staff and customers. Its kitchen assistant Flippy was the world's first autonomous robotic kitchen assistant arm that cooks burgers, fries, and chickens. Sandbox VR, from the other side, is an immersive gaming experience that can be found in London. Customers can enter various worlds and conquer games in advanced virtual reality studios. The whole place is totally immersive, with a robot named Tony serving up drinks at the bar. The broad impact of robotics across varied sectors is remarkable, reshaping industries and pushing technological boundaries. However, challenges persist in this evolving landscape. Your engagement fuels our exploration into the future of technology. Together, let's navigate the possibilities and changes that lie ahead. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insight. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of innovation and technology.